Just been reading this book on the train to the Sefton coast, the great British coast. And what I've noticed about a lot of these nature books and the content you see on social media, there's a lot of references to vitamins. So in this one, there's vitamin G for green space. There's also vitamin G for grounding, the barefoot walking, earthing, grounding. Vitamin N for nature. Vitamin SCA, vitamin C, like that tonic of the sea air. All kinds of different vitamins referenced. I don't know whether anyone's come up with like vitamin S, sunset lovers, sunrise lovers. But I think in the 2022 popular culture environment, they all come under the banner of nature vibes. Oh yeah?